Congratulations on running Replica. This Geminar offers participants a complex perspective on team communication and generates powerful discussion around learning points like communication in a team, active listening, feedback and understanding, as well as collaboration and delivering under pressure. The role of narrator offers participants a whole new perspective on the game as they are now in the spotlight but do not see anything their followers are drawing. Between rounds, focus more on having them share their experience, observing feedback from both roles, narrator and followers. You can then ask them to share ideas about how they could do better in future rounds. It is during this discussion that you can take the time to set up the next round. At the end of the game, ask your participants to look at the bigger picture, not just at each round. Ask them to compare the dynamic from being just 2 people per team to the dynamic when teams were larger. What were their challenges, both as narrator and follower? What strategies or behaviors generated the best scores? It is interesting to observe whether the best strategies which are shared now have also been shared between rounds. If strategies have already been shared, were they followed by the others? This can be the starting point in a discussion focused around team development and progress. If you want to focus more on individual growth, then ask participants to rate themselves on a number of soft skills in order to identify areas of personal growth. Finally, it is very important to allow them to compare any learning points or observations they made during Replica with their day-to-day life scenarios. This allows them to find specific areas that can be addressed by some of their conclusions from Replica and help them grow as a team. This debrief structure can be adapted to focus on various topics including communication skills and active listening, team dynamics, good and effective questioning, delivering under pressure, and many more. Please go to the Replica page from your Geminar dashboard. Click on Geminars under Info and Resources. Select Replica and scroll down to find many helpful resources including presentation videos, editable PowerPoint support and one-pagers, tutorial videos and more. Learn everything about this Geminar by reading the facilitator guide. Last but not least, practice. Great preparation leads to delivering excellent experiences for your participants. Super! All the best!